Welcome Templars to a new video on our channel. In this video we will discuss facial tonics and their benefits. With this video we end the series. We have already seen natural exfoliants and cleansers, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare 4 tonics at home, as always with natural ingredients. Let's do it! A facial tonic is a liquid that is applied after cleansing the skin in order to help balance and maintain its optimal pH level. You can remove residue from cleaners. It prepares the skin for subsequent product application. For example, moisturizers, sunscreens, makeup, in addition to soothing our skin. Because you already know that with so much exfoliation we can irritate it. The first tonic I'm going to show you is made from rice. Rice is particularly effective in reducing pores, so if you have enlarged pores, it serves as an excellent tonic for you. Another one of its benefits is that it is capable of whitening, so if you have spots on your skin and want to soften them, its vitamin B3 is your ally. This is a secret that Asians have known for millennia. In addition, it is very good against signs of aging, removes shine, and helps a lot to calm irritations and redness. Additionally, since rice is highly absorbent, it can help combat acne by removing excess oiliness from our skin. After hearing all this, you'll be eager to have it in your hands, so let's go for it. Preparing this tonic is very simple. For this tonic, the primary component is thyme, as we will only require rice and hot water for its preparation. In order to prepare the dish, we only need to add a total of 4 tablespoons of rice to the container and carefully pour water into it until all the rice grains are completely covered by the water. And we will let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. Once 2 hours have passed, the rice has already released all its properties into the water. We will only need a jar, preferably made of glass and opaque, and a funnel. This process is similar to tea. What we do is infuse the rice in water so that it absorbs all its properties. And very carefully we are going to pour. We will allow it to cool down, and with this we would have our initial tonic prepared for pulverization. Have you observed how straightforward it is? Let's opt for the second one. This is among my favorites, and it can be easily made at home, which adds to its appeal. It is similar to what they will offer you in much more expensive stores, and you will get the same effects. It is a tonic based on vitamin C and green tea. These 2 ingredients combined are great for soothing any skin irritation. In addition, they will provide us with a lot of brightness. They will give our face that feeling of vitality. Both vitamin C and green tea are powerful antioxidants. Preparing this tonic is also very simple. For this tonic, what we need is a metal bowl or preferably a teapot. In the teapot, we are going to put a vitamin C tablet that we can get at any pharmacy. If possible, fizzy. We will place it inside the teapot and add a total of 4 green tea bags to enhance the flavor and aroma of the tea. We will infuse it for a duration of 10 to 15 minutes. We need the green tea to infuse with all the water so it releases all its properties. 15 minutes have passed. It's time to put it in our boat. Look at what color. And it smells like it feeds. And it smells so good. Let's make the pole or mint tonic. The pole or mint tonic is ideal for the summer. It will give you a very refreshing sensation on the skin, as well as deeply soothing it. And lastly, another one of its great benefits is that it helps a lot to drain the skin. During the summer, I recommend you always carry this tonic in your bag at hand. Do you not find that in summer you become very hot and you always have a cool spray somewhere, or you always want to cool down? Well, this is much better since it will not harm or damage your skin, and it will refresh you much more effectively. Just like the previous 2, this one is also super easy to prepare. We take our trusted teapot again, and in it we are going to infuse 2 bags of pole or mint. We will allow it to rest for a duration of 10 to 15 minutes. It is as straightforward as that. When 15 minutes have passed, it's time to put it in the jar. We already have our refreshing tonic prepared. I suggest placing this in the refrigerator. The colder, the better. If you enjoy our videos and would like to support the channel, it is time to click the subscribe button. It's free and it's a big help for us to keep making these videos. And let's go with the final tonic. This is maybe my favorite. It's the acid and hyaluronic one. I caution you that this tonic is going to be a bit more complex, but its advantages are worthwhile. It is a great help to close the pores, but it is also healing and a powerful skin regenerator, in addition to effectively eliminating spots and acne. It can even help us fill in wrinkles. Let's say it's a cocktail of all the benefits of all the previous tonics. We are going to utilize two super powerful components. One that everyone is familiar with, which is aloe vera, and another that might be less well known, parsley. It provides a substantial quantity of hyaluronic acid along with vitamins D, C, and E. To prepare this tonic, we are going to take our trusted teapot again. To enhance the flavor and freshness, we will add 30 grams of finely chopped parsley to the mixture. Next, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. We are going to pour hot water measuring 150 milliliters. And we will let it rest for 15 minutes. Now that the infusion has steeped for 15 minutes, it's time to transfer it to our jar. This time, in addition to the funnel, we will utilize either parchment paper or onion paper to filter the parsley crumbs and retain only the liquid substance. And with this, we would already have our acid and hyaluronic tonic, until here today's vid. However, many of you undoubtedly have a question in mind. You may ask, what is the purpose of all these lemons if we haven't used them yet? Well, the answer is very simple. All the tonics we have made are 100% based on natural products, therefore they do not contain preservatives. For prolonged freshness, add 5 drops to each bottle of lemon juice to make them last longer in your fridge. This will act as a natural preservative, provide a refreshing effect, and make your natural tonics last much longer. Everything with natural origin. If you add those drops of lemon, they can last in the fridge for a month, and it is important that you protect it from light with aluminum foil around it, and it will also refresh it much more. You and I will see each other in the next video, and don't forget to add essence to life.